Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok comments not showing. If you're not being able to show or view your TikTok comments, then do not worry at all. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your TikTok comments are not working on your TikTok application, then the first thing to do is to close the application and reopen it. Make sure that TikTok is not running in the background. If it is, simply close it off. Now, open your TikTok application again and see if that fixes your issue. If that still does not work, then you can try login of TikTok. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner from the main home page and now click on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner. Click settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down from this page and tap the log out button. Confirm login out of your account by tapping on log out. And once you log out of your TikTok account, go back to log in again, go to profile button at the bottom right and select your account from the options. If you don't find your account over there, tap on Add Existing Account and enter your credentials. Once you log into your account, see if your problem has been fixed. Sometimes, because of an unstable internet connection, you might not be able to load your comments on TikTok like you were supposed to. So make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you already are connected, then you can tap open the flight mode, wait for a couple of seconds, and turn it off back again. Now go back to TikTok to see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works out, go to TikTok, tap on Profile at the bottom right, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner from this page, and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on the Privacy button under Account, scroll down to Safety, and tap on the Comments option. Make sure to select either Everyone or Friends under Who can comment on your videos and stories. If you've set it to No one, then you won't be able to see comments on your content that you created. So make sure to choose one of these options between Everyone or Friends, and now go back to see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to view your comments on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.